Greetings everyone, this is Tom from Redhaven Paranormal. I'll welcome you into this session. I will be trying to contact the late actress, movie star, and sex symbol of the 50s and 60s, Marilyn Monroe. Contacting her to inquire about the mystery of her death and to see if it was actually part of a cover-up by the government to keep her quiet about JFK. So tonight's session I'll be using the Spirit Box, Radio Spirit Box 2 app that you can find on the Google Play Store. So let's get started. Spirits, can you hear me? Are there any spirits around me? Hello, can you hear me? Spirits, I'm trying to contact the late spirit of Marilyn Monroe. No, her real name was Norma Jean Mortensen.
Nice.
Miss Monroe, can you hear me? I mean you no disrespect.
You'd already there.
No. Good start.
Mean you no disrespect.
Same bill.
Can you hear me, ma'am? You were born on June 1st, 1926.
Hungry.
The one to.
And you passed away on August 4th, 1962 by a supposed overdose of barbiturates.
Okay, that's
About. Late for.
Was that how you actually died? Did you actually take your life by an overdose?
glass of
I need to. Appear to know.
It was said that you had an affair with JFK.
hours.
John Fitzgerald Kennedy. Is this true?
Here.
Did you have an affair with him?
I don't know if. Hey, how?
And because of that affair that you were killed, they say that you had many problems.
Oh,
Emotional, and that is why you took your life. Is it true?
there left.
Is there in?
Can I call you Norma or Marilyn?
You said.
There's these candles that are lit for you, for energy.
Have you?
Can you feel it?
Your time.
The crystals have energy. Can you feel them? You're more than welcome to use it.
Oh,
7th.
Are there any spirits here with her to help her?
what's the Lord?
Your last film you did was The Misfits. It had another actor who was not long for this world.
Months ago.
James Dean. Was this movie, The Misfits, a movie to restart your career?
Goes up.
Was this going to help you get back into Hollywood?
Well,
Know that.
You had a troubled life
what's your?
when you were younger? You were put in orphanages?
Later.
You married when you were 16? And your husband was 22? He did not like the fact that you went out on your own?
I think he'll be...
You married a number of people, men? Famous baseball player?
Know that.
Joe DiMaggio?
Together.
Do you two see each other up in heaven? Are you in heaven?
Months ago.
Do you come to earth?
Okay, good. Kind of like
What do you miss about earth? About the living life?
you took it.
Did someone take your life?
Hey,
Okay. Where's she?
Did someone drug you? Give you an overdose?
please.
Make up your...
Where?
Forget that
Well, I thank you for joining me.
now?
Yeah.
Do you have anything to say? Say whatever you want. This is your chance.
Kind of.
Yeah, the store.
Did you love JFK? Is that the reason why they say you took your life?
It's too...
Started.
How's your what?
Because he could never be with you?
San Diego?
Yeah.
Night.
Okay. I thank you for joining me.
English?
And take care. And at the count of 3, I'm going to release you.
On.
3, 2, 1. Thank you and goodbye. That was a session with the late actress Marilyn Monroe. I'm going to go through and see what replies I did get. I want to thank everybody for joining me on this video, on this Spirit Box session. I want to thank my wife for joining me this evening. I want to thank everybody out there who has subscribed to this channel, and I welcome any new subscribers in. I also want to thank everybody who hit them like buttons for me, and that lets YouTube know that you are enjoying this content and that you look forward to more. So if you enjoy this, remember, hit that like button for me. If you have requests or any comments, drop it down in the comment section below. And up above will be a link for another video, so if you want, click on it and keep going with these sessions. This is Tom from Redhaven Paranormal saying, remember, be careful, be safe, everybody. Everybody has something to say, living in the dead. All we need to do is learn to listen. Till next time, take care, everybody. See you around. Bye.